Good morning, dear children. Welcome to computer class. In the last class, we discussed about some options available under Insert tab. Under Insert tab, we discussed about picture option, then clip art option, and also word art option. Right? And what is the use of picture option? Picture option helps us to insert picture from file, okay, or the picture that is stored in our computer can be placed in Word document using picture option. Next is clip art. Actually, what is clip art? Clip art is a collection of ready-made pictures stored in MS Word. Clip art options allows us to place clip art images in our document. And next is word art. Word art helps us to place decorative text in our document. Word art helps us to place decorative text in our document. Okay, and today we are going to study another two options. One is shapes, okay, option called shapes, and then we are going to study about symbols. Now, what is a shape? Shapes option insert ready-made shapes such as rectangles and circles, arrows, lines, flowchart symbols, and callouts. So shapes option allows us to place different shapes such as rectangle, circle, then callouts, then other shapes in our document. Let us see how to insert shapes. For inserting shape, first we have to click on Insert tab. Under Illustration group, we can see Shapes option. When we click Shapes option, a list of options are displayed. A list of options displayed on the screen. From here, we can choose any shape. Okay, and first let us place a cloud-like shape. Okay, so for placing this shape, we have to follow some steps. What are the steps? First, we have to click on Insert tab. Then we have to click on Shapes option. From the list, we have to choose the desired option. Okay, and just click on it. Okay, instead of mouse pointer, you can see a plus sign on the screen. Okay, you just place the cursor where we want to draw that picture. Okay, and then locate the place in the document and then press the left mouse button and drag to draw the picture, to draw the shape or to insert the shape in our document. So first what we have to do? First we have to click on Insert tab. First we have to click on Insert tab and then we have to click on Shapes option. Okay, when we click Shapes option, you can see a list of shapes available under this particular option and select the shape. Okay, by clicking on it, okay, the shape of the mouse pointer changed into a plus sign. Okay, keep the uh, plus sign uh, in a particular position and then press and drag to place the shape. We have to press and drag the left mouse button to place the picture. And these picture also contain some resizing handles. Using these resizing handles, we can reduce or increase the size of the shape. Okay, we can increase the size of the shape and also we can decrease the size of the shape. Okay, when we select this shape, you can see a new tab called Format tab uh, on the ribbon. Okay, under Format tab, we can see some important options like shape fill, shape outline, shape effects, etc. These options helps us to change the appearance of the shape. For example, shape fill option helps us to change the color of the shape. Okay, if we want yellow color, we can choose yellow. If we want red, we can choose red. Okay, any color we can choose from here. Okay, so shape fill option is used to fill color inside the shape. And next is shape outline. Shape outline is used to Shape outline option is used to change the color of the outline. Color of the outline. Okay. If we want the dark blue, we can choose. If we want the green, we can choose. If we want blue, we can choose. Okay. And also we can change the thickness of the outline. We can change the thickness. Now look at the picture. The thickness of the outline has changed. Right. And also we can choose different types of outlines like dashes, okay, dotted lines, or any pattern we can choose from the uh, option called dashes. Okay, if we instead of continuous line, if we want dotted lines, we can choose it from here. Okay, under which option? Under shape outline option. Under shape outline option, under dashes, you can see a set of patterns, line patterns. From here, we can choose different patterns. Clear? So, shape option is used to do what? Shape option is used to place shapes in our document. Okay, for that first we have to click on insert tab, then we have to click on shapes option, then we have to choose the desired shape. Okay, by clicking on it, okay, the shape of the mouse pointer changes into a plus sign. Locate the position or locate the place where we want to place that shape, and press the left mouse button and drag to draw the shape. Okay, and these shapes are also having resizing handles. Using these resizing handles, we can increase or decrease the size of the shape. Okay, and next, how to place text inside the shape. We can place text inside the shape. Okay, for that we can place text inside the shape by clicking on it. Simply you need to click on it. You just click on it to type something. See, you just click on that picture or click on that shape, and then you can type the text. Very simple. Or you can choose another option called you just click on it and right click and choose add text option. It is not available now. See, you just click the shape and right click and choose add text option. Add text option. Okay. Or what we can do, or simply you just select the picture and type the content or type the text. Okay. Or we can right click and choose add text option to type something inside the shape. Okay, here we can type hello something. If in see, we can type the text inside the shape by choosing add text option. Okay, and next is shape effects. Okay, shape effects help us to change the appearance. Like we can, if you want to place shadow, we can choose shadows. Different shadows we can choose. See, it that shadow effect give a 3D appearance to the text. Okay, or we can choose preset options. Okay, if we want to change, see, preset option change this shape into a that gives a 2D effect. It looks like a plate or cloud, right? So we can change the appearance of the shape by using what? By using shape effect. So definitely you have to practice all these options after the class. And one more option is there, that is also present under insert tab. Okay, that is symbols. That is symbols. If we want to write any mathematical expressions in MS Word, or if we want to write any equations, we can use these symbols. Okay, if I want to add or subtract or divide um, two numbers, we can use symbols. Okay, for that first we have to click on insert tab and then we have to click on symbols. Okay, here you can see so many symbols. Okay, so many symbols are available in symbols option. Okay, or you can if you want more options, you can click on more symbols. Okay, and just drag the window to see different symbols available in under symbols option. Okay, if you want to place percentage, dollar, ampersand, parenthesis, asterisk, plus, minus, all the symbols are available. If I want to add 1 plus 2 equal to 3, like that, if I want to make an equation, I can click on for 1 and then we can insert, and then you can select division and then click on insert and then next number, it is 2, insert, and equal to, next we need equal to sign, equal to. All these symbols are available on the keyboard, but some other symbols like like less than or equal to, see, less than or equal to, or the copyright option. Okay, and the exponents, all these things are not available on the keyboard. So symbol option is used to place symbols in our document. Okay, children. So this is the last option under insert tab. Okay, so this chapter is over. So after the class, read the textbook and you just try to do the exercises behind the textbook. In the next class, we can discuss all these exercises. Okay, children. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the live class. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.